Yes. What it is, man? It's your boy Conga Line Crypto. I'm back with another one. How you guys doing? I hope everybody doing good. It's a blessed, wonderful day. Beautiful day. But first of all, before I go any further, guys, please to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. If you haven't signed up for Crypto.com, I'm going to have my link down below in the description box. You can use my link to sign up. When you do so, you get $25 and I get $25. And also, guys, I want to talk about New Paradise Natural. I'm going to have my discount code in the description box. You can use my link to sign up. When you do so, you get 15% off any purchase, guys. And New Paradise sells sea moss. It's good for everything. No matter what it is, it's good for everything. As I said, if your wife complaining that you're not performing good in the bedroom, all you need is a couple, not even a couple, all you need is a jar of this sea moss, and that would turn your life around. That would turn your sex life around, guys. And it work also for the ladies. If you're not always in the mood and you want to you want to feel like, get you some sea moss. Get you some sea moss, and as I said, it'll turn your life around, guys. So use my link down below in the description box and get your 15% off any purchase, guys. And that's what it is, guys. So first of all, I want to jump into the DeFi wallet and talk a little bit about DeFi. First of all, before I say anything, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say, you got to do your own research. If you need financial advice, check with a financial advisor. The things I talk about is the things that I'm doing, and that's what it is, man. So I'm not even gonna waste no time, guys. I'm gonna jump straight into it, guys. And MMF hit $1, guys. It hits the dollar that I'm talking about, and I've been waiting though. I've been just waiting to see, and that's, to me, that's just a milestone that, I'm just, now I'm waiting for $2. So that's kind of what it is. I'm waiting to see the $2. You know what I'm saying, guys? Ooh, so it dropped back down. Oh, so MMF, it hit $1. I think it hit like $1 and over $1 basically. But now it's back to 99 cent. So, but it's all good, guys. That's how it goes. It's up and down, and the next thing is probably gonna shoot to $1.50. But now I'm looking for $2. You understand me? I'm looking for $2, and I showed you guys all the NFTs that I have, and still got them. Still got them. They still there. You know what I'm saying? So just doing my regular update, guys. Checking my pools and looking at all my staking, see what I got going on, see the money growing. I love to see it. As you guys can see, I earned $3.49 from staking my WS Mino. It's a beautiful thing, and it's not stopping to keep going up, guys. And you guys can see, it's just a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. Mm-hmm. Yes. So that's in my pool. What is this? Yes, that's in my pool. Let me look in the farm because I got a little bit in the farm. Yeah. As you guys can see, it's growing. MMF went up, so now I got $1.29. I said 20. Yeah, $1.29. So that's what it is, guys. As far as my MMF farm and my MMF pool, uh, I don't have anything in Savannah anymore. I don't think so, but I got everything in the vault. Uh, let's get there and look around and see what's going on. And maybe I could just talk a little bit about the coins overall, because as I said, right now, uh, not a financial advice, but I'm just holding on. I'm just stand still right now. It's always good to buy. As I said, it's always good to buy in the red. That's when you want to buy. You want to buy in the red. You don't want to buy in the green. But as I said, it's a bunch of uncertainty, so I'm just holding back right now. I do have some coins, and the coins that I have, I'm just gonna continue to hold what I have, and until I get more confirmation that what's going on. I would like to get some more VVS. VVS is just I started. I'm down like $200 right now in VVS, maybe more than $200. But at the end of the day, I'm still earning MMF and MMO and my VVS. But VVS just man, just doing bad. But I'm not gonna trip too much. I remember when Shiba went all the way down and everybody get discouraged. A lot of people sold what they had, and I stayed strong. I didn't do it. I hold on. I wish I would have had more, but I hold on to all the Shiba that I had, and it paid off. So I'm gonna hold on to my VVS and my Tectonic because I do have a little bit of Tectonic. I'm gonna hold on to my VVS, hold on to my Tectonic, hold on to most of the coins that I got. Dodge Elon Mars, Dodge Elon Mars. I'm gonna hold on to that. I'm gonna hold on to most of my coins, guys. Not most. I'm gonna hold on to all my coins, the ones that because that's just how it is. You go through a rough patch and then all of a sudden it just turn around. Let me get to my okay, guys, as you can see, I'm still earning. I'm still earning. I'm still earning. uh I would like to move sometime. I'm gonna get ready to start moving out some of these MMF from here. uh I don't know when I'm gonna move them, but I'm gonna move my MMF, and I'm gonna try to maybe create a LP so I can so I can get more. I can make more. But as you guys can see where I'm at 2,100. I didn't start nowhere near there. So it's just a beautiful thing, and it was higher than that when MMF was up to $1. So now I would like to see MMF hit $2. That would be a beautiful thing to see that $2 mark. And it's just step by step, guys. That's kind of what I'm looking for. That's what I'm hoping for. MMO, what's going on? As you can see, I'm still earning my RAP CRO. Uh, it's never stopped. The train is, as I said, this train don't have any brakes. This train, the brakes, it don't have any brakes, guys. It's gonna keep going. So that's what it is. That's what it is. Let me look at my LP because I do have MMF and Savannah, and I'm getting 100,000 APY in this. I don't have a lot in it, but at the same time, I'm making what I'm making right now. Uh, so far, I'm at $2.57. So that's a beautiful thing. I'm gonna let it sit in there as long as possible, because right now I could let that 35 sit. So I'm gonna let that 35 sit for at least 6, 7 months to a year and see what happened. But as you guys can see, man, train never stopped. Train never stopped. And this is really what I want to get into. I want to get into this MMF and Crow. So I do have my Crow. And I think I got it on the glitter mine, or I stake like 1,000 Crow, and I just unstake the Crow. But they told me it's take 28 days for everything to be clear up. So I'm just waiting for my Crow to be cleared up, and once my Crow's cleared up, I'm gonna put it with MMF, and I'm gonna come over here and try to stake it here so I could get more interest, and I'm gonna earn MMO and MMF. So that's what it is. And you see all the pair, guys. They got so many different pair. You know, M share, MMF. A lot of people making so much money off M share and MMO. I don't have any M share. M share is like $12,000 the last time I look at the price. So, and you also got stable coins and Crow. And once you do that, once these are the safer bet, because most of the time, even if they go down, they're gonna come back. They're not gonna go down too much. So what you could look at, guys, the coins that's safe, your APY is a little bit lower than the newer coins. Not saying the newer coin is not safe. They're just new. People don't know too much about them. We don't have too much data and the newer coins. So we gotta watch. But these coins like the Ethereum and stuff, they've been around for a minute. They've been around for a while. Everybody know how this is gonna play out, you know. But all this newer coins, the M share and the MMF, we don't really know how it's gonna play out. We hope it play out, you know what I mean, the way we want, the way we thinking, or the way we want it to. We want it to play out the right way, and the right way is just keep going up because that's what we open for, guys. So that's that. And I do have a little bit in Cougar Swap because I put some things. I put a few dollars in Cougar Swap, and I'm just gonna let it sit there. I'm not gonna touch it because it's not much. So I'm gonna let it sit there for as long as possible and see what's going on with that. And I do have some I do have some Mino tokens. I do have a few Mino token stake. I could get there and kind of show you guys what's going on with my Mino, and it's growing. So it's a beautiful thing, guys. I love it. Uh, I guess I'm gonna say I couldn't ask for more, but I'm always gonna ask for more, you know, because everybody want more, you know. If you don't want more, I don't know what to tell you, but I'm always gonna ask for more. So I love what I'm getting, but I'm asking for more. Uh, I would love to get more and more. And I do have all my NFTs. I got my NFTs and they sitting there, guys. I'm just waiting to see how things gonna play out as far as the NFT game. But as you guys can see, man, it's a process. You know, it's a process, and I'm up for the challenge. You know what I'm saying? I'm up for the challenge. Uh, it's nothing. I'm gonna do what it takes to get to where I want to be, and that's kind of what it is, guys. Let me show you guys all my my Mino tokens so far. So far, so good. Mino going up, you know, and yeah, I just love where things going, and you know, I explained that to you guys. I started with 44 Mino. You know what I'm saying? So just the fact to see this, and it's been sitting there for over a month now, and I'm at 84. I'm at 84.5, you know, and I started with 40, 44. So guys, that's kind of what it is, man. You know, you just have to have a little bit of patience and just, you know, have a little patience and do a little research. You know, do your research so you know what you get into, and just know the risks, you know. But the upside is much higher than losing 100 or losing 200. The upside is way higher. So I take these chances, guys, you know, and that's what's going on with my Mino staking. I'm gonna let these things sit here for as long as I can, you know. These are my kind of like, you know, these are my retirement funds right here. So this is what it is, and I could jump and show you because I do have some crow. I do have some crow. Let me get up out of here. I do have some crow steak. Yes, guys, I do have some crow, and let me show you guys all my crow that I have. And this is my 1,000 crow that I just unstake them. So far, when I started with 1,000 crow, I earned over 20 crow, you know. And I have different staking, guys. Different. I have 100 crow right here. So far, I've made 1.4 crow, and 100 I have there. This one I make zero point 0.5 on the 24 crow that I had there. I put 130 crow right there so far. I made 1.4 crow. This one, as I said, I made over 20 something crow from having my 1,000 crow. So that's kind of what it is, guys. As you can see up there, guys, I do have 1,265 crow, and that's what it is. It's just gonna keep growing. It's just gonna keep growing because, as I said, financial freedom is the key, and that's kind of what I'm pushing for. Uh, uh, I don't mind taking chances because I really don't have much to lose, you know. And as I said, the upside is much bigger than losing 500. You know, I blow 500 all the time and crazy stuff. So if it's a way for me to put 500 and walk away with a lot, I'm up for the challenge, guys. You know, I'm up for the challenge. So, and I do have a few. I do have some tectonic. Uh, I do have some tectonic. I did a borrow with tectonic, and tectonic went down, and I lost a little bit, but I still have some tectonic because you know how the game goes. Some people tell you about the win. They don't. You know, they always say the win, win, win. They don't tell you about the loss. So I borrow, and the coin went down, and you know I kind of. But overall, I still have me some tectonic. I have a little bit left, and I'm gonna just keep on riding the wheels, man. And I don't know if we still getting that airdrop. I know we were supposed to get an airdrop of tectonic just for holding tectonic. So right now I'm sitting on 80. I'm sitting on $84 of tectonic, and that's 98 tectonic. So, uh, guys, I'm just gonna keep going, man. You know, ain't no stopping Conga Line crypto, man. And you know what I'm saying, all the way to the moon. We gotta get it. So that's what it is, guys. This video is not too long, but at least I show you guys a few things and show you guys the plays that I'm in, and do your own research. Go ahead and figure out DeFi, because DeFi is what's going right now. If you're not doing DeFi, and you if you have crypto and you're not doing DeFi, guys, I don't know what to say. I just know that DeFi is where it's at, and DeFi, it's just everything DeFi, guys. So that's what it is. It's tectonic, guys. Please to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I appreciate everybody who subscribed to the channel. But subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Use my link down below and signed up for crypto.com. Check out New Paradise. Use my discount code and sign up. And as I said, once you do that, you get 15% off any purchase, guys. So that's what it is, man. It's your boy Conga Line. Crypto financial freedom is the key, is the goal. That's what we're pushing for. Let's get it. Yeah.